MF53-N research-grade inverted fluorescence microscope. It has a stable and compact high-rigid frame to satisfy stability requirements of micromanipulation. It provides observation method of fluorescence, phase contrast, and bright field. LED light source brightness controller. Phase contrast ring plate. Fluorescence light barrier. Stage with flexible sample holder to fix different sizes petri dish. Rotatable-coaxial adjusting handwheel is easy to control sample moving. Eyepieces have 23 mm wide field of view. Coarse and fine focusing system. Offers accurate focusing. Swing-in light barrier. Power-on broad-spectrum LED light source. To achieve fluorescence lighting. LED lamp house. 5-hole fluorescence attachment wheel. Provides fluorescence of blue, green, yellow, UV, and can expand to violet and red. 5-hole nosepiece with mildew-proof device. Bright field, phase contrast, and fluorescence. Welcome to visit Microshot website and send email.